Hi guys, today I'd like to ride a special rapid service of JR West. The special rapid service is the fastest commuter train in JR West. The maximum speed is 130 km per hour. How fast? If you search for special rapid service on Google in Japanese, you'll get a search suggestion that says scary. Today I'm heading to Himeji Station. It is the city where the famous Himeji Castle is located. The train has arrived. Look at this safety fence. It's very unique. The elastic band goes up. This is adopted only by JR West in Japan. Here we go. This is a map of JR West. The special rapid service that I will board this time connects Himeji and Shiga. The distance between the cities is 270 kilometers. This is 223 series, which is the one I'm board now. The second is the latest 225 series. This vehicle won the Good Design Award in Japan. This is a commuter train, so there's no additional charge. It runs daily from 5:35 in the morning. Thank you for your hard work, conductor. Himeji is a rural area going west from Kobe. The landscape is no longer urban. So you can enjoy the scenery. In recent JR, English broadcasting is also done automatically. It was introduced for foreign visitors to Japan, but unfortunately, because of the novel coronavirus pandemic, there's no foreign visitors. Now you can listen to the English broadcasting. The track in front of me is the Shinkansen. Yeah, there's also a Shinkansen station in Himeji. It is mainly used by tourists who go to Himeji Castle. So you can exchange train to Shinkansen here in Himeji. Well, I arrived at Himeji Station. This is the one I took. The last is a bonus. This is Osaka Station. It is a huge station building. It is a spectacular building. There's a big roof on the top, so you won't get wet even if it rains. And this also gives us a feeling of openness. I love it. And I every day use Osaka Station. And you can enjoy a lot of trains going. That's very good. Well then, goodbye.